That's Mace is back again. Yes, the other guy forfeited, so I'm just gonna start up another video. Okay, and I'm against Chuckaz. Okay, and he has Ash's team, so I guess I'm just against Ash. Okay, if he's gonna start off with a Pikachu, that would actually work really well, because I'm gonna start off with Sky again. Probably gonna start with Pikachu. Nope, Talonflame. Okay. Well, he might not. He's probably not gonna expect this Hydro Pump, but he still might be faster. Yeah, he's faster. Super effective. Yeah, that killed. Moxie is so useful. Goodra? Okay, well, actually, you might be a problem if I'm just gonna Outrage. Try and one-shot you. Oh, he's going for Bide. Nope. I'm sorry, Ash, but you're not winning the Pokemon League this time. But comment down below, do you think Ash will ever win the Pokemon League? And oh god, Noivern took down Sky. Okay, that didn't go well. Well, Maggie has Ice Beam, and I should be able to take like one hit at least. As long as it's not something really powerful. Okay, yeah, I took that. That's a one shot since it's Dragon and Flying. Ooh, Greninja. Gonna try and go for Ash Greninja. Okay. I'm gonna Draco Meteor you out of here. Yeah, Wild Shuriken's not really gonna work, buddy. I'm sorry. Almost had him. Ooh, Citrus Period? That's actually pretty good. Okay. Oh, I should still be able to use it. Good. Oh, no. Okay, that's not that good at all. Okay. I guess they're just going to Tree Eater. I don't know if anyone else can handle Ash Greninja. Okay. I don't think I'm faster than Ash Greninja, but if I am, I'm gonna put it to sleep. Please only twice. Missed? Nani? Okay, I definitely have to switch or Tree Eater might die. Has pretty good defense, spells defense, definitely her. Maiden Lollipop. Drain Punch, Drain Punch. Okay, that was really close, but please kill, please kill. Yes. I'm gonna go for Hawlucha, definitely. Oh no, Pikachu. I'm gonna use Healing Wish. Probably gonna go for a quick attack. I should be able to bring one back in that case, Scott. What? Oh, what? Okay, okay. In that case, I'll just go for Tree Eater. Oh, so it doesn't revive Pokemon, but it brings any Pokemon that has at least 1 HP back. Okay, okay. Well, I'm sorry, Pikachu, but I'm just gonna have to get rid of you right now. Use Black Hole Eclipse. Okay, now it's only poor Hawlucha. Poor Hawlucha. Dark Void, then I'm gonna... Oh, okay. Well, okay, that didn't miss like last time. Good. And now, bye-bye, because I'm about to Dream Eater you. GG, my friend, GG. Seems like I was able to take down Ash. That's the end of this video. Leave a like and subscribe.